Hello and welcome. We are going to talk about something very powerful: speaking English confidently and how it can completely transform your future. Or someone who wants to explore new opportunities. Learning to speak first. Let me tell you why confidence is so important. You can know all the grammar rules, have a huge vocabulary, and understand English perfectly, but if you are afraid to speak, all that knowledge won't help you. Confidence is the bridge between knowledge and action. When you speak with confidence, people listen, they respect your ideas. They feel your energy. So how can we build this confidence? The easier it is to express yourself. But don't just memorize words. Work, or your career. For example, instead of only learning the word good, learn words like excellent, impressive, remarkable, outstanding. Using stronger words makes your speech more professional and impactful. Here's a tip. Try to learn 5 new words every day and say them out loud. Your confidence will naturally grow. Next, focus on pronunciation and clarity. It's okay if your accent is not perfect. What matters is that people understand you. Read English aloud everyday: news articles, short stories, or even dialogues from movies.com. Record yourself speaking and listen carefully. Notice the words you struggle with and practice them until they feel natural. Now let's talk about common phrases and expressions. Using phrases like "I strongly believe," "in my opinion," or "I am confident that" can make you sound more fluent and professional. These expressions give structure to your sentences and help you communicate ideas clearly. Many learners translate sentences from their native language, which slows down speaking. Instead, try to think directly in English. Describe your day, your thoughts, or your plans in English even if you do it silently at first. This trains your brain to respond in English naturally. Speak with friends, teachers, or language partners. Join online groups or clubs where English is spoken. The more you speak, the less fear you will have. Mistakes are normal. Every mistake is a step toward improvement. Don't let the fear of being wrong stop you. Communication comes first. Let's also focus on motivation. Imagine your future self confident, speaking English effortlessly, impressing interviewers, making friends across the world, and opening new doors of opportunity. This is not just a dream. It can be your reality if you commit to learning and practicing every day.